Well, hello, my fellow YouTubers. Today we're gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna make a very easy huevos rancheros, but we're gonna do it the easy way. I'm gonna show you how to make a salsa. The taste is so like the original. We're just gonna need one onion, and you'll see what else we're gonna need. Vamos a hacer unos huevos rancheros esta mañana y les voy a enseñar cómo hacer una salsa muy rapidita para hacer los huevos rancheros así. Necesitamos una cebolla y ahorita les enseño qué más vamos a necesitar for this very quick breakfast. And so here we are, we have our onion, and this is the secret recipe. Este es el secreto, la salsa casera. Y vamos a usar el queso cotija. We're going to use our cheese for our eggs. So first we're going to cut our onion, and we're going to use probably only about half of the onion. Vamos a usar solamente como la mitad de la cebolla. So we're gonna cut into small pieces. Vamos a cortar en pequeños pedazos. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, poquito, just a little bit of oil, poquito aceite, para freír nuestra cebolla, so we can fry our onion. And after frying our onion, we're gonna put our salsa can. And it's very easy to make this salsa. That's the first thing I make. Lo primero que hace. Here it is. Salsa casera. I use the hot. Yo uso la que pica, la que dice hot. Y eso lo necesitamos un botecito de salsa y esta media cebolla. Lo mezclamos. We mix it real good. And we have a very unique taste salsa for our ranchero eggs, huevos rancheros. And to add to the taste almost to the original, I put a little bit of comino. Cumin, put a little bit of that. And so that it can taste almost like the original salsa. Nobody will ever know. And we mix it up a little bit. It's already hot and it's ready. Here it is. Aquí está nuestra salsa, ya lista. And so I always put it in a different container. And I like to cook the eggs. Después de ponerla en este plato, voy a lavar este sartén para hacer nuestros huevos. And so now we're going to get our eggs. I have one bought egg and I have 3 farm eggs, and I like to use the farm eggs. Me gustan los huevos de gallina. Estos tengo 3 y uno que es huevo comprado, pero me gusta a mí los huevos que compramos de gallina, de la gente. Para mí saben más ricos. I like the taste better. I don't know why, of the farm eggs. So gonna be frying our eggs, and try to lower the heat so we don't burn them. And then once the eggs are done, después de que están listos, le agregamos nuestra salsa. And then we mix it. Mezclamos muy bien. Y ahí tenemos nuestros huevos rancheros. Very easy to make huevos rancheros. They have that real nice taste. And of course, I have my tortillas, homemade tortillas that we made yesterday. Tenemos nuestras tortillas de harina que hicimos ayer. Y esas son las voy a calentar. Todavía están suavecitas. It tastes almost like when we first made them, even when you reheat them. You know, lower the grill a little bit. But the tortillas, they taste just like if they were made right now. And that is the freshness of homemade tortillas. Now, to your eggs, you can put some cheese. A los huevos le puede echar su queso, ya sea queso cotija or shredded cheese, and let it melt. And then you have the best huevos rancheros that you can ever make. I'm going to make me some coffee. Voy a hacerme un café. para este almuerzo. Aquí tenemos nuestra cafetera. Poner nuestra taza, and I'm going to put about maybe 10 ounces. 10 onzas, y vamos a pesar nuestro café. And here it is, brewing. I can almost smell it. I can almost taste the breakfast already. My tortillas are already done. Ya están listas mis tortillas, los huevos ya están listos. Ya nomás vamos a esperar el café. Y voy a endulzarlo. I'm gonna sweeten my coffee with the cream that my daughter likes. And I got to like it. I acquired the taste for it, so now I like that. Instead of putting sugar, I just put this cream. En vez de ponerle azúcar, le pongo esta crema. Aquí se los voy a mostrar. And we add a little bit of that. And that's it. You don't need sugar for your coffee. No necesitas azúcar para tu café con esta crema. Ya está lista. And now, let's have our breakfast. Nuestras tortillas. Here we have tortillas, our coffee, and our huevos rancheros. Vamos a darles una probadita. Las tortillas, they're very soft. And one of the benefits of this breakfast is that it's so easy to make. The salsa, it's the easiest thing to make. Una de las cosas más fáciles para hacer son estos huevos rancheros. La salsa es rapidita para hacer. You just need that onion, and that's it. You got your huevos rancheros. Muchas gracias for you guys watching my videos. But anyways, I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to make the real salsa. And this is going to be kind of quick, just in case you don't like the easy salsa. If you want the real salsa, aquí les voy a enseñar cómo hacer la salsa, la verdadera salsa. Esa es solamente para cuando quieres hacer algo rapidito. Of course, we start burning our tomatoes and our chiles. I'm going to cut our onion. Vamos a cortar nuestra onion. Vamos a tostar nuestros tomates y nuestros chiles. And then cuando cortemos la cebolla, vamos a poner esto en la licuadora. Put it in a blender. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil, poquito aceite para for the onion. And este es para la cebolla, el aceite. Y vamos a cocer la cebolla. Vamos a agregarle un poquito de garlic, un poquito de ajo, una cucharita de ajo. And we're going to mix that pretty good. Vamos a mezclarlo muy bien. Y vamos a echarle comino. I put some cumin. Comino. I'm going to mix that. And then we're going to see. So we continue stirring our cebolla, our onion. Seguimos volteando. Y ponemos, we're going to put this in a blender. Add a little bit of water. Vamos a agregarle poquita agua. Y vamos a echarle poquito de esta Nor Suiza, una cucharita. And then we're going to blend it. Y vamos a licuar while our onion gets cooked. And now we get our onion. Vamos a poner nuestra cebolla. Vamos a agregársela a nuestra salsa y esto le va a dar el sabor. This is what's going to give it the taste. It's got the comino and we got the garlic in there. También tenemos ajo y tenemos el comino y le va a dar un buen sabor a esta salsa. Vamos a ponerla en la licuadora y licuarla nuevamente. Put it in the blender again. And then just blend it all. I couldn't talk while it was blending, it was too loud. Así que nuestra salsa está lista. Our sauce is ready. So we're going to add a little bit of salt. Vamos a ponerle sal, un poquito de sal a nuestra salsa para probarla so we can taste it and see if it needs anything else. So here's the salt. Mix it a little bit. And there you have it. Y ahí está, lista, nuestra salsa. I like to put it in a container and cover it, and I use it every day. La uso todos los días para los huevos rancheros. Muchas gracias por mirar nuestro video. Thank you for watching my video.